Transistor BC 547. LED 5 mm. LED negative side connecting with transistor collector pin. (10K) resistance. Resistance one side connecting with transistor base pin and other side connecting with LED positive side. (1K) resistance. 1K resistance connecting with transistor base pin. Magnet switch. Magnet switch one side connecting with transistor emitter pin and other side connecting with 1K resistance. .7 Li-ion battery. Battery positive wire connecting with LED positive side. Battery negative wire connecting with transistor emitter pin. Tweezer with magnet. When magnet is close to magnet switch, then current supply is off.